Hello everyone, I am Professor Ranjit Bauri from the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering at IIT Madras. I am here today to talk about the upcoming NPTEL course on powder metallurgy. So let me first tell you why powder metallurgy is so important as a manufacturing process. If you see any manufacturing process, you would look for some advantage which other processes cannot offer. So as far as the powder metallurgy process is concerned, there are many attributes which make it an attractive process, but there are three main attributes of the process which make it stand out. So these are what you can see in this particular slide over here in terms of this Venn diagram. The three circles that you have represent the three unique characteristics of the powder metallurgy process. The first one talks about the unique ability of the process in terms of making materials or microstructures which are unique in some sense. Okay. Then the second one talks about the economy of the process. It's an economical process, but at the same time it can also maintain precision and the productivity, which may not be always possible in any other process which may be economical, right? And then you have this captive ability of the process, which talks about processing materials which are difficult to process by other processing techniques. For example, if you have high melting point materials and reactive metals, these are difficult to process, for example, by the casting technology, right? But the powder metallurgy process can handle these materials because the whole process takes place in the solid state, and therefore the difficulties associated with the melting of such materials can be overcome, right? In fact, all these attributes that you have can be combined into one single process, and that is powder metallurgy, as you could see from the intersection of these three circles that you have over here. So that's the area which is the ideal application area for powder metallurgy, because as I said, it can combine all these three attributes into one process. And that's what makes powder metallurgy a process of choice across a wide range of industries for a variety of products, especially for those which are difficult to make by other processes. Okay. So this course will not only provide a broad overview of the powder metallurgy process, but it will also cover the relevant concepts in great detail. Okay. The objective is to learn about the process inside out and understand the underlying scientific principles in a systematic manner. It is expected that at the end of the course, you will develop a complete understanding of the powder metallurgy process, and you will be able to apply the concepts in any work related to the process. Now let us have a look at the content of the course. In this particular course, we are going to cover all the details of the powder metallurgy process, starting from the powder fabrication to all the way to the densification process. The course will basically have these 4 modules that you see over here, and each of these modules will typically take about 3 weeks, and therefore this course will run for 12 weeks. Okay, and this is the tentative weekly plan for the course, as you could see from this table over here. So I am going to see you soon with all the lectures of this course, and I do hope that you will find them interesting and useful. Thank you for connecting with us.